What's going on, you bunch of heretics, and welcome to Heresy is My Therapy. Today it is Zenithal priming for beginners using rattle cans. Yes, this is a super quick and easy way to batch paint, to prime, to get a slap chop Zenithal base using rattle cans. No airbrush required, super easy, let's get into it. So yes, slap chop and Zenithal priming. Usually with a slap chop priming, we're having that dry brush, spending lots and lots of time prepping up with the black, the grey, then the white. We're going to do the exact same thing, but we're going to use rattle cans instead. It is going to get a much brighter effect, but hey, it is what it is. It's absolutely fine, and it works out really, really well. And also, it's a really quick way to get stuff done. So here's some things that you are going to need. Gloves for your hand. You don't want paint all over your hand. It takes forever to get off. It's a nightmare. Get yourself some tattoo artist gloves or some medical gloves, really easy. You're going to want something to put your model on. This is a little bit of blue tack on like a Barocca tub. That's absolutely perfect. A model, obviously. And finally, you're going to want some rattle cans. There's only one of choice for me that is going to do this properly and is going to do this right, okay? You're going to want Color Forge every single time. Color Forge matte black first of all, standard grey, and finally matte white. Okay, matte white is the final one. And they'll all make sense in just a moment. Right, some real key things when you are using rattle cans, spray cans, whatever you want to call them. Even make sure you are outside in a nice covered area. A little bit of shelter. I'm kind of got the gap of the houses between us, where there's no wind to get anything, and you're outside, it's well ventilated. If you don't have an area outside, you need to go inside and make sure you're using a room that is very, very well ventilated, windows open, or if you've got a garage space, good well lit area, and again with plenty and plenty of ventilation. If you can do it outside a nice warm day, this is the perfect time to do it. If of course it's winter time and you aren't so fortunate to be outside, grab yourself a nice room, open the windows, make sure it's ventilated, and if you've got a mask, wear one, okay, just so you don't get the fumes in your lungs. All right, so yes, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so something that is really, really important when you're using your rattle cans, okay, make sure that you give them a good shake up for a good 20 to 30 seconds, absolute minimum, okay, a good 20 to 30 seconds. And before using a quick spray away, double tap just to clear off any excess. So I'm giving a good shake, about 20-30 seconds, just give it a quick, just get rid of any of the sort of clogs that may appear in the rattle can, okay? So make sure that you shake, rattle and roll, okay? Shake. Got my model all set up and good to go. This is on this sort of like Barocca sort of tubing. I put a bit of blue tack just over the top and then just stuck him down like that. So there's our berserker. He's good to go, ready to get his base. All right, and this is really good because you can angle it everywhere, move it around if you need to, and angle as best as possible. All right, so as I say, we are starting off with matte black. Okay, we've got our model prepped up, good to go. We're giving it a continuous shake, obviously off camera. Give it a good shake, a quick spray, just to get rid of the excess out of the thing. And all we're going to do is just double tap all over the model. Click, 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 click. So with the black, we're just literally going absolutely everywhere. You'll notice what I'm not doing is I'm not just going, okay, I'm not holding it down. It is quite literally a double tap, quick spray, check your model, make sure you've got absolutely everywhere, and then let it dry for about 5-10 minutes. All right. The black may take a little bit longer to dry, okay, but 5-10 minutes and come back and check your model. Like I say, next up, we're going to be using our Color Forge Standard Grey. Again, really good shake up and 2 little blasts just to make sure it's all clear and good to go. All right. Okay, so with these two, the grey, just like we do with our slap chop basing, we're going to be going all over the model this. But for our sort of Zenithal highlighting, we're going to be putting the model like so, and we're going to be coming in at a 45-degree angle, okay? So a 45-degree angle is what you're going to want. Just two quick sprays, just a quick double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move. All right, so double tap, move, double tap, move. Obviously making sure that the model's all dry, which it is, okay? But like I say, double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap. So from here, quick spray, get rid of the excess. So double tap, move. And there we are, our first bit done. And you can see from the bottom, it's all darkened, and it obviously will go to light, okay? And again, take it back inside your home so it's nice and warm, or if it's already warm outside, which it is at the moment here in the summer, we can just leave that outside just to kind of to dry off. But it's really, really important. We do not hold the spray can down. It's simply, and the angle we want is around about between 20 to 30 centimeters away. A little bit closer if you dare to, but you know, about 20 to 25 centimeters, 20 to 30 centimeters away. And we're just, again, double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move. Okay, just a little bit at a time just to get around all the model, okay? Okay, next up, as we had before, yep, Colour Forge Matte White. That's gonna be our next rattle can of choice. Right, with our model all prepped up in the grey, next time, like I say, we're going to use our matte white. So it's really important with this one, okay, we're not going at a 45-degree, we're going more like a sort of 70 to 80 degree. This is where the light is coming straight down onto the model. We don't want to be coming at 90 degree or 45, we need to be coming down at more like an 80 and then directly onto the top. The exact same system is going to apply again. So we're going to do a double tap. So double tap, move, double tap, move, double tap, move, twice round, okay? And again, make sure you can, it's really shaken up. Make sure again, you just clear out the excess. And again, hold the model. Again, a little more angled towards you. And then just double tap, move, 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 like so. Done. And as you can see, we've now got this proper dark area here, all the way moving over to a nice and light area there. Simple as that. Then we take it inside or leave it outside to dry, and you have your model very quickly, Zenithal and slapchop ready to get your contrast and speed paints on. Good to go. Simple as that. Rattle cans to base your models really, really quickly. All right, if you're batch painting, this is a really easy way to get loads done in preparation for projects that you want doing. All right. So there you have it. Zenithal slapchop priming with rattle cans. A super, super easy way to get plenty of model space ready for your contrast paints and your speed paints, to get your models looking fantastic and ready for the tabletop. If you found this video useful, please let me know if there's any improvements that you'd like to see or something that you're not too sure of. Again, just drop me a line and I'll try and get back to you. Remember guys, if you want links for plenty of discounts, click on the link on the link tree below. There are discounts for everyone for all of your hobbying needs. Anyway guys, like I say, like, subscribe, all the usual YouTube jargon and nonsense. But yeah, rattle can priming, baby! See you in the next one guys. Bye bye.